To Upper Vista Luxury Condominiums on the 18th and 10th hole of Thundering Waters Golf Course in Niagara Falls. This brand new luxury high-end building has just completed construction, and I'm going to take you on a tour inside one of our penthouse suites that we have. But these are spectacular views from this unit on the 9th floor, right underneath the penthouse. This is a sub-penthouse unit. 3 balconies, spectacular views of the golf course, nature. It's very open concept, 10-foot ceilings, 2 showers in the master, 3 balconies, huge kitchen, family room, floor-to-ceiling 10-foot windows, patio doors, granite countertops, hardwood floors, spectacular views of all Niagara. Balcony off the master, balcony off the kitchen, family room, balcony off the guest bedroom, which is here. South views, north views, full sun all day, great exposure. Glass balconies, guest bathroom, glass and tile shower, granite countertops. Brand new immediate possession, overlooking Thundering Waters Golf Course. Exclusive memberships only. Skyline views of Niagara. Mark Primerano, 905-351-0410 for your appointment.